Hello, this is Python and Deep Learning Assignment 1. Here the first program is about taking the input string Python as a list of characters from the console and delete at least 2 characters and reverse the resultant string and print it. Here the sample input as Python and sample output after deleting the 2 characters and reversing the string. As you can see here, I have taken the input from the console and stored it in the variable string and print it to the console. And then I have declared an empty list and storing this string variable into that list and printed the list of characters using a for loop. And then I have removed the true characters using .pop method. And then I have printed the new list after deleting 2 characters. And then I have used .reverse method to reverse the existing string and then used a for loop to store these values these values to the console. I am running this program. As you can see here, the console prompts to enter the string Python. So I am entering Python, and here the console is showing that you have entered Python and these are the list of characters, and then after deleting the 2 characters we have only 4 characters from the Python word, and then here is a list, and then after reversing it we have the output string as shown in the console. And then coming to the next question, we need to take 2 numbers from the user and perform at least 4 arithmetic operations on them. Here I am taking 2 input from the user and store it in the number 1 and number 2 and converting them to the float values, and then here I have used 4 print statements to perform arithmetic operations on them. After running the program, you can see the console prompts the user to enter the first number. I'm entering 7.